Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the web browsing in Claude AI so that you can access the up-to-date information from the internet. So first of all, come here on Claude.ai and then sign in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you can either open a new chat or you can also open an existing one. So currently, as you can see, this is the new chat window. So over here, simply click on this plus icon. Then among the given options, you are going to see the option of web search. So you need to make sure that you have this particular tick enabled inside the web search option. So when this toggle button or this checkbox is available, it simply means that the web search option is now turned on. You can also explicitly tell Claude to search the web when you are basically having a conversation with it and inside your prompt. So then it is going to put specifically stress on doing the web search first and then give you the conversation. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.